We bought the Waterfalls property on February 2020. We've been steadily altering it and making it more suitable for our own needs, for entertaining, for having the family and grandchildren here. One of the main reasons of choosing Millboard was we wanted everything we created, everything we built, wanted to be maintenance free. So Millboard, of course, answers that perfectly in view of the fact that I'll never have to touch it again. And that's very much why Millboard was chosen. It had cladding on before. It had a natural oak product. The tendency was after every 2 to 3 years it had to be rubbed down and resanded. So Millboard predominantly was chosen for being a maintenance-free option, and secondly for aesthetics. We wanted something to give it contrast with the hamstone. Hamstone is a natural product only found in the Somerset area just outside Yeovil. So the cream shades of the hamstone complement perfectly with the antique oak Millboard. It gives it that perfect contrast. We've used Millboard pretty extensively across the different parts of the property. We've got it for the traditional decking. We've used it for cladding on the house. We've even used it for cladding of tables, outside tables. We've used it for a terrace upstairs. It sits above the dining room, which is single story. And originally the builder was wanting to put the air conditioning units on there. And we said, no way, we can do something better with this. And we came up with the concept of the terrace, of which Millboard plays a large part in. From an outside area, it's lovely, particularly for grandchildren. There's nothing like sitting out there in the evening, again with the family, and enjoying the view and the children running around safely on the Millboard decking. It is only at close inspection that really you see anything different than the natural wood product. And bear in mind, that product will remain pristine, looking like natural wood for many, many years to come.